Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly growing field of computer science that aims to develop intelligent machines that can perceive and reason about the world, learn and adapt from experience, and make decisions in a way that is similar to humans. In this video, we will explore the history of AI from its beginnings to 2020, and discuss its future potential. The history of AI can be traced back to the early 1950s, when a group of computer scientists, including John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon, began to explore the idea of creating intelligent machines. They believed that machines could be programmed to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as problem solving and language understanding. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was coined by McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference, which brought together leading experts in the field to discuss the future of AI research. During this time, AI research focused primarily on logic and problem solving, and early AI programs were developed to play simple games like chess and checkers. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI research made significant progress in areas such as natural language processing, pattern recognition, and expert systems. One of the most notable achievements of this era was the development of ELIZA, a natural language processing program developed by Joseph Weizenbaum in 1966 that could simulate a conversation with a human. However, in the 1980s, AI research experienced what was called an AI winter, where funding for AI research dried up due to a lack of significant progress in the field. Researchers were struggling with the limitations of early computing power, and many believed that the goals of AI research were too ambitious. Part 2. The rise of machine learning in the 1990s. With the rise of the Internet and the availability of large amounts of data, AI research experienced a resurgence. One of the key breakthroughs during this time was the development of machine learning algorithms, which enabled computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms were used to develop some of the first commercial AI applications, such as speech recognition systems and recommendation engines. However, progress was slow due to limitations in computing power and data availability. In the early 2000s, machine learning algorithms continued to improve, and the rise of cloud computing made it easier to train large machine learning models. This led to significant progress in areas such as image recognition and natural language processing. Part 3. The rise of deep learning. The field of AI really took off in the last decade with the rise of deep learning algorithms, which enabled computers to learn from even larger datasets and make more complex decisions. This was made possible by the availability of massive amounts of data, powerful GPUs for training models, and advances in algorithms that enable deep neural networks to be trained efficiently. Deep learning has led to significant advances in many areas, including computer vision, natural language processing, and game playing. One of the most notable examples of deep learning is AlphaGo, an AI system developed by Google's DeepMind that defeated the world champion at the game of Go in 2016. Part 4. The impact of AI. The application of AI has had a significant impact on many industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to improve patient outcomes and streamline clinical workflows. In finance, AI is being used to improve fraud detection and to make better investment decisions. However, the rise of AI has also brought with it new challenges, such as the ethical and societal implications of AI, including concerns about job displacement, privacy, and bias. Many researchers and policymakers are working to address these concerns, with efforts focused on developing transparent and ethical AI systems. The future of AI. Looking forward, there is growing optimism that AI will continue to make significant contributions to many fields, and will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future. One area where AI is expected to have a major impact is healthcare. AI-powered systems have already been developed to assist with medical diagnosis and treatment planning. In the future, AI may be used to develop more personalized treatments based on a patient's genetics, lifestyle, and medical history. AI may also be used to analyze large-scale patient data to identify trends and patterns that could lead to new medical breakthroughs. Another area where AI is expected to have a major impact is transportation. Self-driving cars are already in development, and are expected to revolutionize the way we travel. AI-powered traffic management systems could also help reduce traffic congestion and improve safety on the roads. In the financial industry, AI is already being used to develop predictive models that can identify trends and patterns in the stock market. In the future, AI-powered systems may be used to create personalized investment portfolios based on an individual's financial goals and risk tolerance. AI is also expected to have a major impact on the way we work. As AI systems become more advanced, they may be able to take on more complex tasks, such as data analysis and decision-making. This could lead to increased efficiency and productivity in the workplace. However, it could also lead to job displacement, as AI systems take over tasks previously performed by humans. One of the biggest challenges facing the development of AI is ensuring that it is developed in an ethical and responsible manner. There are concerns about the potential for bias in AI systems, as well as the impact of AI on privacy and security. To address these concerns, researchers and policymakers are working to develop guidelines and regulations for the development and use of AI,